The thing that might be holding you back, the second thing, is if you've ever been laughed at when you spoke Igbo, okay? Or maybe somebody made a face and then you're like, oh, I'm not speaking anymore. That's it. I'm done. Okay? But what I would say is don't take it personally, okay? Sometimes I have laughed on my client, so we do audio assessments and audio recordings. So she sent me something once and it was so funny. I had to laugh. Okay, so I wasn't laughing at her, I was just laughing at the statements. The same way you will laugh at a baby who means to say something and says something else. You kind of understand what they are trying to say, but they haven't said it with the right tone, or they haven't pronounced it correctly. You're still laughing. You're not laughing at that baby, you're laughing with the baby. And if it's a baby, they will laugh along with you, okay? But when we become adults, we are self-conscious. So try and imagine yourself as a baby when you're speaking Igbo, because that's what you are. You're a baby in Igbo language. Okay? So feel free to make mistakes. The more mistakes, the better. That means you're trying. That means you're speaking it. Because if you're speaking a new language, you're going to make mistakes. If you're not speaking it, there won't be any mistakes. And we don't want you there. You want to speak. So go ahead and embrace mistakes and say to yourself, I am ready to make mistakes.